Stop the video right now. I need you to answer one question honestly. How old are you? Seriously, whatever age you are, remember that number. Because by the end of this video, you're either going to be relieved you're still young enough, or panicked that you've already waited too long. Here's what I'm about to show you. Two people. Person A starts investing $300 per month at age 25. Person B waits until 35. Also invests $300 per month. Same exact monthly amount. Same exact investing strategy. But at age 65, Person A has $1,180,000. Person B has $440,000. Person A has $740,000 more. Not because they invested more money. Not because they were smarter. Not because they got lucky. Just because they started 10 years earlier. That's it. 10 years. $740,000 difference. The math is brutal. And your clock is ticking right now. If you ever thought I'll start investing seriously next year, or I'm too young to worry about this, or I've already waited too long, what's the point? Stay with me because what I'm about to show you will either terrify you into action or give you hope that it's not too late. My name is Mike and I make videos about how money actually works in real life. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm sharing the math of compound interest and timing. Talk to a professional about your situation. Here's the setup. Person A and Person B are the same person. Same income. Same expenses. Same life. The only difference is timing. Person A starts investing at 25. Person B waits until 35. Let's run the numbers. Person A invests $300 per month starting at age 25. Keeps investing until age 65. That's 40 years of investing. Total money invested, $144,000 of their own money, at an average 8% annual return, which is the stock market historical average. That $144,000 grows to $1,180,000. Over $1 million. Person B waits until 35. Starts investing the same $300 per month. Invests until age 65. That's 30 years of investing. Total money invested, $108,000 of their own money. That's actually $36,000 less than Person A invested. At the same 8% return, that $108,000 grows to $440,000. Person B invested less money, $36,000 less, and ended up with $740,000 less. That's not a typo. $740,000. The difference between starting at 25 and starting at 35 is $750,000 for the exact same monthly investment. Now pause the video and comment your age right now. Just a number. I want to see how many people are in the Person A zone and how many are in the Person B zone. Go. Comment your age. Here's why this happens. It's called compound interest. And the longer your money has to grow, the more powerful it becomes. Let me show you how brutal the math really is. Person A at age 25 invests their first $300. By age 65, that single $300 investment has grown to $6,850. 40 years of compound growth on one $300 investment. Person B at age 35 invests their first $300. By age 65, that $300 has grown to $3,170. 30 years of growth on the same $300. Same investment. Different timing. Person A's first $300 made $6,550 in growth. Person B's first $300 made $2,870 in growth. That's a $3,680 difference on one $300 investment. Now multiply that by every single month for 10 years. Person A gets 10 extra years of every single investment compounding. That's where the $740,000 gap comes from. Time is the most powerful factor in building wealth. Not how much you invest. Not how smart you are. Time. But here's where it gets even more brutal. Let me show you the cost of waiting at different ages. If you start at 25, investing $300 per month gets you to $1,180,000 at 65. If you wait until 30, you need to invest $430 per month to get to the same $1,180,000. That's $130 more per month. Wait until 35, you need $650 per month. That's more than double. Wait until 40, You need $1,000 per month. Wait until 45? You need $1,600 per month. The longer you wait, the more it costs you per month to catch up. And most people can't afford $1,600 per month. So they just never catch up. Stop and do the math for yourself. How old are you right now? How much would you need to invest per month to hit $1 million by 65? Is it $300? Is it $650? Is it $1,600? Comment below with your age and your number. Let's see where everyone is. Now here's what people say. Mike, I'm 38. I've already waited too long. What's the point? Here's the point. Yes, you missed the person A timeline, but you're not dead. If you're 38 and you start investing $700 per month, you'll have $870,000 at 65. That's not $1.2 million, but it's $870,000 more than you'll have if you do nothing. The best time to start was when you were 25. The second best time is today, right now, this moment, because every single day you wait makes it more expensive. Let me show you something even more painful. The cost of waiting just 5 years. Person C starts at 25, invests $300 per month for 10 years, then stops completely. Never invests another dollar. Just lets it grow for 30 years. At 65, they have $530,000. Person D waits until 35, then invests $300 per month for 30 years straight. Never stops. At 65, they have $440,000. Person C invested for only 10 years. Person D invested for 30 years. Person D invested 3 times longer. But Person C has $90,000 more, because Person C started earlier. 10 years of early investing beats 30 years of late investing. That's how powerful timing is. If you're under 30 right now, pause this video and smash that like button, because you still have Person A time. You can still hit the maximum. If you're over 30, also smash that like button, because you need to start today. Not tomorrow, today. Now let me break down exactly what this looks like by age. If you're 22 and you start investing $250 per month, you'll have $1 million at 65. If you're 25, you need $300 per month. If you're 30, you need $430 per month. If you're 35, you need $650 per month. If you're 40, you need $1,000 per month. If you're 45, you need $1,600 per month. If you're 50, you need $2,700 per month. These are the real numbers. And every year you wait, the number goes up. Comment your age and tell me if your number feels doable or impossible. Be honest. Here's what most people do wrong. They know this math. They've heard about compound interest, but they don't feel the urgency, because retirement is so far away. If you're 25, retirement is 40 years away. That feels like forever. So you think you have time. You'll start next year, or when you get a raise, or after you pay off debt, or after you buy a house. There's always a reason to wait. But here's the truth. Every month you wait costs you about $3,000 in your final retirement number. Think about that. Every single month you delay starting, you lose roughly $3,000 at age 65. That's the invisible cost of procrastination. Let me tell you my story. I started investing at 28, not 25. I waited 3 years after college messing around, spending money on stupid stuff, thinking I had time. When I finally learned about compound interest, I calculated how much those 3 years cost me. $220,000. 3 years of waiting cost me $220,000 by age 65. I can never get that back. The money I didn't invest from 25 to 28 would have been worth $220,000 by retirement. I lost it by waiting, and I think about it all the time. I can't change it, but you can. If you're younger than 28 right now, you have something I'll never have again. Time. Don't waste it like I did. Comment below if this is making you anxious. Good. Anxiety is useful. It means you're paying attention. And anxiety that leads to action is how you build wealth. Let that anxiety push you to open an investment account today. Now here's the part where I give you hope. If you're 40 and thinking you're screwed, you're not. You can't get to $1.2 million in a mall, but you can get to $600,000. And $600,000 is infinitely better than zero. If you're 50, you can't get to $600,000, but you can get to $300,000. And $300,000 is infinitely better than zero. The math gets harder the older you are, but it's never impossible. It's just more expensive per month. And that's a choice. Start today at whatever your number is. Or wait another 5 years and have your number double. Here's what you need to do based on your age right now. If you're under 25, you are in the golden zone. Start with literally anything. $100 per month. $200 per month. Whatever you can do. You have time on your side. You don't need to invest huge amounts. Just start and be consistent. If you're 25 to 30, you're still in the Person A window. Start with $300 to $400 per month. Make it automatic. Don't think about it. Just do it. If you're 30 to 35, you're approaching Person B territory. You need $500 to $700 per month. That's uncomfortable, but it's doable. Cut expenses. Find side income. Make it happen. If you're 35 to 45, you're in the expensive zone. $700 to $1,200 per month. That requires sacrifice. But the alternative is working until you're 75. Choose your hard. If you're over 45, you're in the very expensive zone. $1,500 to $3,000 per month. That might require drastic changes. Second job. Major expense cuts. Selling stuff. But it's still possible. You still have 20 years. Comment your age and tell me your monthly investment goal. Make it public. Accountability matters. Tell everyone watching what you're committing to. I'll be reading every single comment. Here's the bottom line. Time is the most valuable asset you have. Not money. Time. Because time creates money through compound interest. But you can't buy time back. Once it's gone, it's gone. If you're 25 right now, you have something that a 35-year-old would pay $740,000 to have. 10 extra years. Use them. If you're 35, you have something a 45-year-old would pay hundreds of thousands to have. 10 years. Use them. Every age has value, but the value decreases every single year. Your future self at age 65 is watching you right now, and they are either going to thank you for starting today, or they're going to resent you for waiting another year. The math is brutal, but math doesn't lie. Start at 25. Invest $300 per month. End with $1.2 million. Start at 35. Invest $300 per month. End with $440,000. The difference is $740,000. And the only variable is time. You can't change your age, but you can change what you do at the age you are right now. Start today. Not next month. Not next year. Today. Open a Roth IRA. Set up automatic investing. Even if it's just $100 to start. Do something. Because every day you wait costs you thousands of dollars at retirement. So tell me in the comments, how old are you and are you starting today? And if this video just scared you into taking action, smash that like button and subscribe because I'm making more videos showing you exactly how to catch up at any age. Let's build wealth together. Starting right now.